All right, guys, what's happening? What's up, Jesse? I am back from just a few weeks of vacation, and it was awesome. So now I'm trying to get back into the rhythm of things, having some window cleaning, some gutter cleanings, but really got to get back on the horse for making videos. And I had a thought that this is going to be real short. So if you don't know who I am, no problem. Timmy Riggs. I own Streaker's Window Cleaning, pressure washing, custom Christmas lights. My whole thing is like, if you are interested in making a jump from your 9 to 5, starting a home service business, or you're just getting started, like, I want to help you with what I've learned. So kind of just a couple steps ahead of you, pulling back from what I know and handing it off to you. Today, I just want to encourage you, something I've thought about. I said it on my TikTok, and that was, 20 days out of the year aren't great days for me. I'm down, I'm kind of thinking like, man, should I have done this or do this differently or whatever, right? Like, we all get there. Just moments where you're a little bit not feeling like yourself, and probably about 20 days. So that's a lot of time. And I was talking to a mentor of mine who is really successful. He owns a couple restaurants, and he owns a landscaping business. He's putting out 14 trucks a day, and so like he's awesome and he's crushing it. And I was telling them this, and he was like, dude, same. 15, 20 days out of the year, I think about dropping everything, getting a job at Home Depot. And I was just reminded, like, man, like, okay, even the people that I look up to have those same kind of days, right? And one verse that I thought of comes from Proverbs 27:17. It says, iron sharpens iron as one person sharpens another, right? And you've probably heard that. It's a really popular verse when it comes to sports or anything like that, right? And so I was thinking about it in terms of just when life gets difficult, it's not a bad thing, right? Because if iron is sharpening iron, I heard it said from one pastor, there's some sparks, there's some conflict. And the funny thing is, that's actually what makes it sharper, not something that you shy away from. And so in life, when there's challenges, when it's tough, when you're feeling a little down, just remind yourself, like, hey, of course it's hard. And so it's a little bit of the Jocko Willink, right? The David Goggins, like, man, the harder it gets, the more I know that maybe I'm in the right spot, or at least I'm getting better, and there's something I can learn from this. So if you're a new entrepreneur or you're about to jump into entrepreneurship, that's something to keep in mind, that when it gets tough, don't give up, don't think you made a mistake, realize that it's making you sharper, it's making you better. So that's it, just want to throw this video up. In the meantime, enjoy the here while you're working to get there.